Hello, hope you're having a good day. I assume that if you're here, you're probably wondering about the Folifort for hair growth supplement. Well, my name is Isabella and I'm here to help you with all your doubts. So watch this video till the end to get all the necessary information you need before buying this product. To begin with, I would like to make it clear to you that Folifort is only sold on its official website. Any other sites that are offering the product are not reliable. For that reason, I strongly suggest you make your purchase through the official site, which I will make available for access in the description of this video. Well, after all, what is Folifort and what is it for? It is an all-natural supplement that rejuvenates hair follicles to treat hair loss and promote hair growth. Basically, when taking Folifort, you start a hair therapy, through which the supplement will promote restoration of damaged hair, increase in volume, strength, and shine. The natural development of hair is often hampered by toxins in the body. Hair growth can be restored and a number of other benefits can be gained by removing these toxins. Once the scalp is inflamed, the hair follicles suffocate and the nutrients needed for hair growth are unable to reach the follicles. For that reason, Folifort gets to the root cause of the hair loss problem. Here are some ingredients present in the Folifort formula. Vitamin B5, biotin, FOT, zinc, nettle roots, horsetail extract, saw palmetto, white peony. Combining the high quality of the ingredients used in the manufacture of Folifort with the correct way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the results you expect. With that in mind, what is the best way to take Folifort capsules? Just take 2 capsules every day with half a glass of water and you will love the results you will see and how you will feel. After all this information, you should be asking if there are any side effects when taking this supplement. According to the manufacturers and the official website of sales, Folifort is 100% safe, without antibiotics, gluten-free, and made with natural ingredients. For this reason, it does not cause side effects in your body. And I have one more important thing to tell you. The Folifort supplement for hair growth has a 60-day warranty. That is, if you're not totally satisfied with the product, you are guaranteed full refund. So thank you for watching this video. Hope I helped you in some way with this product. And don't forget that if you want to access the Folifort official website, the link will be in the description of this video.